In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch reclassify transactions in QuickBooks Accountant. We're going to speed up your cleanup work by moving multiple transactions at once from one account, customer, or class to another. This is perfect when you discover items posted to the wrong place and don't want to fix them one by one. First, sign into your QuickBooks Accountant account on your desktop computer. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. Under the section called Your Books, click Tools. If your layout looks a little different, you may see Advanced Accounting instead. Go there and choose Reclassify Transactions. Both paths open the same powerful tool. Next, set the date range for the transactions you want to adjust. You can type a custom window, like January 1st through January 31st of 26, or pick from presets if that's faster. Getting the dates right is important because everything you see and reclassify will be limited to this period. Now fine-tune what appears using the filters. You can filter by transaction type, like all transactions, just invoices, or just expenses, by customer or vendor, or by account. Filters help you zero in on exactly what needs attention, especially if you're dealing with a large volume of activity. If something you expect to see isn't showing, double-check the filters and the date range first. Review the list that appears. This is your chance to confirm the transactions truly need reclassification. Look for obvious mismatches, such as expenses in an income account or sales assigned to the wrong customer. If you work in a closed or locked period, keep in mind you may be restricted from changing those entries, depending on your firm's settings. When you're confident, select the transactions you want to change by checking the boxes next to each one. You can select a handful or all visible transactions, but it's best to start with a small batch if you're new to the tool. Fewer selections make it easier to verify results and undo mistakes quickly. In the Modify section, choose what you want to update. You can change the account, the customer or project, or the class. Take a moment to confirm you're sending everything to the correct new destination. This is also a good time to reference your chart of accounts or class lists if you're unsure. Click Reclassify to apply the changes to all selected transactions. QuickBooks will process the batch and display a confirmation message when it's done. Give the list a quick refresh and spot check a few items to make sure they now live in the right account, customer, or class. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.